New Country, Dylan Scott. The song is New Truck. I need a new truck. Ain't nothing wrong with mine. It's got 40-something thousand miles and the engine runs just fine. But it ain't so rough, ain't got a scratch, ain't got a dent. The radio works and it don't show dirt. It's worth every time I spend. I was going to drive it till the wheels fell off. Yeah, that's before she slammed the door. Said arms over. She got lost. I need one that she ain't climbed up in, that ain't played her favorite song. Need one that her glass ain't fogged up and her bare feet ain't getting on. Need a hood that we ain't laid on, kissing till that sun came up. That's all that's wrong with this one. If you're looking, you're in love. I need a new truck. Yeah, I need it right now, not tomorrow nor next week. I can't take another red light with her memory in that seat. And if I find one more hair tie that slipped off her wrist, one more chapstick, one more picture, I might push it off a bridge. I need one that she ain't climbed up in, that ain't played her favorite song. Need a glass that she ain't fogged up yet, that her bare feet ain't been on. I need a hood that we ain't laid on, kissing until the sun came up. That's all that's wrong with this one. If you're looking, you're in love. I need a new truck. Now I didn't reckon, but it might as well be. Sitting on the block in some old shop, but that's the way that girl wrecked me. I need one that she ain't climbed up in, that ain't played her favorite song. Need some glass that we ain't fogged up, that her bare feet ain't been on. I need a hood that we ain't laid on, kissing till that sun came up. That's all that's wrong with this one. If you're looking, you're in love. I need a new truck. Oh yeah, I need a new truck. Need a new truck. I need a new truck.